So this is the recording of the solar eclipse that happened in Cornwall, Ontario on the 8th of April 2024. Throughout this part, you have to be wearing the solar eclipse glasses, otherwise you're going to get the burn in the center of the vision that would appear in a few days after, and you're permanently blinded by that. So you keep wearing the solar eclipse glasses until the totality happens, and then at that time you have to take off your solar eclipse glasses to be able to actually enjoy the view of the totality. So this is the first contact where the moon is hiding part of the sun, so as if it's a part of the cookie eaten up by the moon, and keeps on moving there. It's about 80 minutes to totality, and it's proceeding, and you have to be still wearing the eclipse glasses, not sunglasses, and when the totality happens you have to take it off. So during the totality I recorded a time lapse with the drone to show the darkness that happens at that time. It was very surreal. So it's coming closer and closer. I took a mix of pictures and videos during the eclipse. So this part was a video, and the earlier was pictures that was converted into time lapse. The coming closer and closer. You see now the drone images on the right bottom of the screen. You will see how it will become dark. The lights will come on, and it will become completely dark during that period. So we're coming closer. So still stage 1. Then at the end of the stage 1, stage 2 will be the ring, diamond ring. You find a little small sun coming across, and it looks like a diamond ring. It's going to start in a few seconds. Now you can see the drone image is getting very dark, and the lights became on because of the it depends on how much sun you have. Totality happened, and you can see the solar flares. Actually, you can see this red spots around the moon. It's actually the solar flares. At this stage, of course, you have to take off your solar eclipse glasses to be able to enjoy the view of the totality. And once the totality is over, you can put them back on to avoid getting the burn in the center of the vision, the fovea. So it's still very dark. This lasted for about 2 minutes. This is the actual recording of that time. And you can see the solar flares all around. It's slightly out of focus because you're not sure where to focus actually. So the moon is the darker one. The solar flares are much, much further away to be able to capture both. Still dark. Keep the glasses off, and now they can see the ring, which is the fourth contact. You can see the diamond ring. So the sun is coming from one side now to the opposite side, and at this stage you can start thinking about putting the solar eclipse glasses. It's not too bright yet. You can see that the drone images, it's becoming brighter and brighter. At this stage you can put your solar eclipse glasses back on to be able to be safe until the end of the eclipse. So after the fourth stage, the moon will keep on moving away from the sun, and it becomes more brighter and brighter. And at that stage, I had to go back to work. I had to cancel the afternoon, but had surgery in the afternoon, so I had to go back to work. So that's the end of the recording. Thank you.